Ooh, holy shit.
The king of carbs.
Is an upgrade, dude. No way.
Okay. Matches your not red bike, Mitch.
Oh, shit.
That's actually looks pretty legit, man.
Oh, that's pretty sexified.
The NIBBI.
$60.
Yeah.
Which
It's worth it.
You can buy one of these for the cost of
the 3 that I've already put on this thing.
Just feel how the slide feels.
Little performance carb.
Actually has some grit to it.
I mean, it's just got, there's a little piece there, I don't know what it is, but
Thanks.
I feel the heft on
It's
that.
nicer quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should. Yeah. Because you probably get more. Probably be a little more responsive.
I think Mitch is going to get more.
I think we should be able to get.
I don't think there's any you can do to give her to get you anymore. I think she's kind of... But I think Mitch is... Yeah, I think this might actually, like, add 5 miles an hour.
Sure.
Right.
Nice. You guys just weld those on or something?
Yeah, just so it's a little more stable.
Cool.
Right now, it just leans over just a little too far.
That's a black widow.
I don't wear pajamas in front of anybody, Dad.
Oh, fuck, I guess I gotta kill that thing now.
Yeah, she's gotta die.
Doesn't matter to me. They're not that dangerous.
Oh yeah, that's way better. Woo!
Yeah.
You can just feel it. You can just feel it in the gun.
Mm-hmm.
It's way better in our little. Because we have that same green Harbor Freight that you had.
Yeah, the ground clamp is definitely nice.
Right. Yeah, it's a good scene. Yeah.
And I bet you we probably have to just blast some air through that thing. That's probably what it is.
Right, that thing might be gummed up.
Yeah.
Because like when fuel sits for long enough, it basically turns into lacquer, and then it just jams everything up. I'll just grind like this high point.
I'll grind it to it.
Yeah, and just grind out some of this shit.
It was 3D printed.
Yeah, just make it. Yeah, make it look like it was.
This one too.
All right, guys, with the new carb in, it seems to have ridden way better. Not dying on me at top speed.
Longer than it needs to be. This one?
Oh, it's just this little shroud that covers the... Because I had to cut this a little bit off this hose because it was all rotted up.
Okay, and that's it. You're free. Let's see what this thing looks like on the inside. Wow, baby.
So this one being clogged would make sense.
After all this,
the E-string.
Cream it and ream.
The E-string is what it needed.
Nice, dude.
Got a high E.
Yeah, we need the B.
Yeah, let's bump up to a B. Ream this thing out.
Ooh, and some.
Ooh.
E-string it is, boys.
And some,
B is too big.
You stick guitar
big.
string? Can't do the 17 millimeter?
Oh, yeah, these are nice.
Those are acoustic. I just didn't know. I don't play a lot of electric guitar.
That fills up, the flow goes up like your...
Right. So then
Closes the jet, or...
it closes.
the fuel from coming in.
Oh.
Yeah.
So then it just keeps a constant amount. Then it. I guess it's.
What's pushing the gas through that little thing?
I think it creates a vacuum.
The Venturi effect is what it's called.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you were to take like a straw and put it in a cup, and then blow over the straw.
Yeah.
Put your hand in front of it. It'll mist your hand, and that's essentially what's happening as the engine pulls in air. This is a straw, and it just sucks gasoline out of that bowl from the air passing over this straw and creates a mist, and then it goes in the engine.
Oh, cool.
Wow, it's really not that complicated.
Gas fumes, guys.
Time to blast off, baby.
I'm growing a tolerance. That can't be good. I need to double check and make sure it's gasoline. Nice. Very nice.
Now it might just be some simple adjustments on the carburetor screws.
I bet once it warms up, it'll.
Yeah.
Last time this thing ran?
It's been a while, right?
Couple years. Yeah.
Yeah, it just probably needs a little time to.
Did you check the oil before you brought it over?
There was oil in it the last time I looked.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll put the seat back on.
Got a whole big old urbanite piece in here.
Oh, yeah. Good stuff.
The Irby.